to fix login error in Trivago. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to your internet connection. And by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems with the network. However, if you're having any problems regarding your login, click on Settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage, and again you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Trivago application. Click on Show All, and here is the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open your app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further problems, you can simply comment down below.